Welcome guys back to the third part. I've done my second sleeve and that's how it looks. So this is the bottom part, everything what we did before in the part number 1 and number 2. And in this part I'm going to make bunny ears. So hold the hood and place marker a little bit further than the second layer, just a little bit along the seam that we did before. Take the needle and count 1, 2, and start picking up stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 stitches. Take the yarn. So on the other side you count also 2 stitches and then pick up again 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be like this. Same distance and same level. But now we are going to work only with the first ear. And now we are going to make from each stitch 3 stitches. Knit front, yarn over, knit back. And repeat for all other 4 stitches. Knit front, yarn over, knit back, knit front, yarn over, knit back, knit front, yarn over, knit back, and again knit front, yarn over, knit back. That's what we have. Turn and we are going to make something that is similar to I-cord from both sides of the ear, and we are going to do it like this. Slip the first stitch. We are going always to slip it. Then knit through the back loop, next stitch, and then slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front. Then knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sometimes I knit through the front and sometimes I knit through the back. It depends if I knit the stitch or the yarn over stitch. Then knit 1, slip the next stitch, holding working yarn in front, and knit 1 at the end. Turn. And we are going to repeat now this row. Bring the working yarn in front when you slip the first stitch and then place it back. Knit 1, slip next stitch holding working yarn in front, then knit 9. Basically it's knit 10, but I just want to tell you that first 3 stitches making that imitation of cord. So that knit 1, slip and knit 1 again, and 3 last stitches also making the imitation of that cord. Turn and repeat this row again. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, knit 10, slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front and knit 1. That's it. Turn and repeat. Slip, knit 1, slip, knit 10, slip the next stitch and knit the last one. Like this, go on repeating this row until you reach desired length of the ear, and after that I will show you how to make decreases. So let's measure the ear just for you to know. You can make it a little bit even longer. I like when they are long, so it is 23 centimeters. Now and we are going to start making decreases. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, slip the next holding working yarn in front, then slip, knit, pass over, then knit 5 and knit 2 together, and again knit 1, slip the next stitch and knit 1. Turn. This row we are going to make without decreases. Slip, knit, slip with holding yarn in front, then knit 7 or knit 8. So here knit, slip and knit the last stitch. And again slip the first stitch, just a second, slip the first stitch, then knit, slip the next holding working yarn in front, then slip, knit, pass over, then knit 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, holding working yarn in front and knit the last stitch. Turn and next row knit without decreases. Slip the first stitch, then knit, slip the next, knit 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, then again knit 1, slip and knit the last stitch and turn again. Slip, knit, then slip, holding working yarn in front, slip, knit, pass over, Then knit one and knit two together, and the cord. Knit one, slip, knit one, turn. Knitting this row without decreases. Slip, knit one, slip, holding working yarn at front, knit three, and knit one here again, slip, and knit the last stitch. And now slip the first stitch, knit one, slip the next stitch, and now you have to knit three together, and I'm doing it like this. Slip the first stitch, then knit two together, and pass the first stitch over these two stitches, and I cord. Knit one, slip, and knit. Now turn and knit this row without decreases. Slip, knit, slip, holding working yarn in front, knit one, again knit one, slip, and knit one. That's it. You have 7 stitches. Now cut the yarn. You can use a tapestry needle or hook, and let's thread the tail through remaining stitches. Sorry, one more time. Okay, and from the other side, slip all stitches. Pull, and that's how it looks. You can make a knot. Let's make a knot. And as before, pull the tail through the I cord inside. Pull, pull, pull. And here. And that's the ear. Now cut the yarn. And that's this beautiful bunny ear. So at the beginning, as you remember, we let the long tail, and now we are going to use it to show the bottom part of an ear. So you see we have small holes. Just sew it, picking up the stitch from the hood and joining it with an ear, like this. And what you are doing now, you have to pull the yarn to make the ears a little bit rounded at the bottom, like this. And like this, they will stick a little bit. Let's join this part. So that's how it looks. And one more stitch here to make it more symmetrical. On the back side, pull the yarn and make a knot. Let's make one more knot. Look, and here we can weave in ends. Same, I am doing it and hiding the tail in this I-cord. So you can do it yourself. I think this length is perfect for an ear. And now what you have to do is to repeat the same steps for the next ear. From this stitch marker, you remember you count 2 and then pick up next 5 stitches as I showed it before. After that, weave in all ends, sew the buttons, and that's it. As I said, you can attach one button here, just where we didn't make a buttonhole. And that's it. Your envelope is ready. Now you can enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. It was long, I know, but if you're watching this video now, so it means that you have done everything and going to enjoy this beautiful envelope or cocoon. I will be happy to answer them. The written instruction you can find also on my blog. The ads free instruction you can buy as well from my shop. Thank you guys so much and see you soon.